Assalamu alaikum. I'm sure you all are enjoying Ramzan and must be doing all the duas and ibadats that we should all be doing during this blessed month. May Allah accept them all. And I'm also sure that you guys are making pakoras and must be making in your own way. But today I'm going to share with you all that how we make them at our house, as pakoras are my dad's favorite. So let's start. Salt, red chili powder and chili flakes, ginger and garlic powder, cumin seeds, carom seeds, coriander powder, turmeric powder, some fenugreek leaves, and I think that's about it. We're going to add all of the vegetables in a large pot or a large vessel or a large container, and going to add all the spices to the vegetables and going to mix them. We are looking for the releasing of all those natural juices so that we won't be needing to add any more water. Now we are adding the chickpea flour to all the vegetables. Ideally, you can add all the spices and leave the vegetables for a bit so that the juices are released. Then you won't be needing to add any water. And but still, if you do, you can use a bit of it. Here I did use some water because I didn't leave the vegetables for long enough that they would have released more water. So I'm just going to mix everything together until well combined, and you can see that how I'm doing it. It is going to get a bit messy, but that's fine. So I hope you guys are enjoying Ramzan recipes that I've been uploading. You can also add any other vegetable that you like you can use like cauliflower or eggplants. Anyway, I'll be sharing a cauliflower and eggplant fritters recipe really soon. So here in a wok, I've heated the oil and just going to drop some batter. You can use a spoon to drop the batter, or just by do by hand, so it doesn't make any difference. I'm going to fry them till they get golden brown, and then they're ready. Doesn't take long for them to get ready. And I'll also suggest that please don't make this batter beforehand. 10 to 15 minutes before frying is good, but don't before hours before, because then it's going to release a lot of juice or water, and then your batter is going to get runny, and we don't want that. So just keep them moving around while frying so that they are equally golden brown from all over. And then once they are golden brown, take them out in a sieve, and then serve them hot with any other chutney you like, any dip you like. But we do serve them with some tomato ki chutney or tomato and coriander chutney, which I'm going to share with you guys tomorrow. So that's all for now, guys. I hope you guys are going to enjoy this recipe and will definitely give it a try, because who doesn't try pakoras in Ramzan? So keep liking, keep sharing, and do subscribe if you haven't already. I shall be seeing you guys again really soon, and you know all the other jazz that I say to you in my every video. So take good care, and we'll see you guys again really soon. So stay home, stay safe, and bye for now.